Alright guys, so just picked up this grapple. It's weird. So this is a hickory thing for oaks. Decent sized log. About 18 inches. That's 16 on that end. And about 7.5 feet long or so. So the machine actually doesn't seem to have much trouble picking it up. Now, the issue I think with a lot of these machines is just counterweight. That's about the point where it'll start tipping. Got a couple of swing blocks right here. Me on it, I can go a little higher. But overall, pretty good. I just paid about $1,150 bucks for this grapple, but we'll see what happens here. My plan is to add some kind of weight. I wasn't sure about that. This would be the best point, just as far as back. But we'll see. I just picked it up, so I was curious to see what it would pick up. And I think it'll do pretty good. I just got to get some kind of weight. Because if I were to go try to actually move this log, it'd be pretty unsafe, just wanting to tip over. But anyways, yeah, it's about 8 inches off the ground, maybe. All right, have a good night.